Welcome to Objective 2 of Chapter 1 in our supplemental presentation. In this objective, we're concerned with identifying the many users of accounting information in society. Decision makers usually fall into three categories: those who manage the business, and they can have specialties such as those listed on this slide. Decision makers can also be those with a direct financial interest, like investors or creditors. And finally, decision makers can be thought of as those with an indirect financial interest, and this would include tax authorities, regulatory agencies, labor unions, and some others. Managers are internal users of accounting information. They're concerned with making key decisions using that information, and they are concerned with taking on basic management functions which require accounting information for decision making. Users with a direct financial interest are external users of accounting information. Investors are one group. They put money into a business in order to make money, and they use financial statements to judge the prospects for profitable investments. Creditors also have a direct financial interest. They loan money to a business in order to make money by charging interest, and they use financial statements to judge whether a company will have enough cash to pay the interest charges and to repay the debt at an appropriate time. Now, there are also another class that we call users with an indirect financial interest. They are external users of accounting information. The two primary examples are tax authorities and government regulatory agencies. There are other groups as well. Government and non-for-profit organizations include hospitals, universities, professional organizations, and charities. They have the same categories of decision makers as profit-oriented organizations. They have managers, they have those with a direct financial interest, and those with an indirect financial interest. Okay, we've come to the end of our second objective and a brief discussion. How do management accounting and financial accounting differ? In management accounting, the focus is on internal users. It involves all types of information, and it can be communicated in whatever format is most suitable for its purposes. Financial accounting is more of a focus on external users as well as internal users, but it is involved with specific information, and it is communicated in financial statements.